Hi, this is Keith, your friendly neighborhood repairman, coming at you on should I replace or should I repair my microwave? Well, I have a rule. My rule is if it's going to cost more than 60% to repair it, I'm probably going to want to buy one. Okay. Now that also depends on do I have a matching set of appliances? Now if I bought the whole entire package together, if I replace it, it's probably not going to match for age and a few things that happen. So what we're talking about is we've got microwaves here that go from anywhere from $399, $139, $314, $719, and $549, and various other prices. So for me to show up at your house, it's going to be probably minimum anywhere from $75 to $100. That's just if I can get lucky and go in there and you got a broken wire that I can just fix quick. Okay. Usually that's not the case. So it's roughly going to run anywhere from $150 to about $300 for me to come fix your microwave. Unless you got a really bad problem, then you're talking it's going to be, could be as high as $400 or $500. Well, if I'm going to spend $400 to repair my microwave, I really better like that thing. But if I don't think so, I can come in, get a new microwave, you know, black stainless for a whole lot less than it would be to repair it. Now, if it's one of the higher end, these $700, $800 ones, then yeah, goes with 60% rule, 60, 70%. If it's gonna, microwave costs $1,000, I would go as high as $600 to $700 to fix it because I don't want the hassle of having to tear it out, go find it, put it back in, and the whole 9 yards. I'd rather pay someone $500 to come out, repair this microwave, let them have all the headache and all the hassle, and I'm good to go again. Now, if I have the $139 microwave, pretty much it's going to cost that for me to show up to look at your house. At that point, just go buy another one. Find the color you like, find the features you like, and you should be in very good shape. Plus, that way you can get a warranty on it, because if you're calling me out, you don't have a warranty, which means you're paying me out of your pocket. Now, when you buy a new one, it comes with a warranty, which means if it does break, you're not paying me out of your pocket. I'm still going to show up your house, and it's going to work, and you're going to be happy. So, whether you should or shouldn't, that's up to you. But set a position in mind of how much you're willing to spend to have that unit fixed. Like I said, me, it's about 60% of whatever I spent on the unit. And if I really like the microwave, I might go as high as 75 or 80% because I like it and I don't want to mess with it. And I don't want to be the guy, come here, you know, messing with it, pulling it out and dropping it and doing something silly. So, should I replace? Should I repair? Yeah, it's up to you. But I'd recommend having someone look at it first. Unless you just really don't like it, then in that case, just get rid of it. Because if I fix an appliance for you that you don't like, it's going to work exactly the way it did, and you're still not going to like it. So just replace it. Okay, if you do like it, you do love it, maybe it's worth more to repair. That way, it stays there, the whole kitchen looks the same, it all looks good, and life is good. So, don't forget to subscribe to this YouTube channel, and don't forget to tune in next week when we find out why my kids should or should not use my dishwasher door as a diving board. And we're going to find out how much it will take before they go kaboom. You folks have a wonderful day.